Now, the big three of kinematics, the three cardinal formulae by all the problems have been initiated in the textbook, are herein explained in a great detail for your facility, which is not in your syllabus, but it is very important to understand how this forms the basis for every type of numerical that you come across. You need to understand the finer points so that you can do the numericals in a very simple and easy manner. Now, by definition, acceleration is nothing but a body starting at an initial velocity and arriving at a final velocity in time t. Accelerated, the vehicle is accelerated, therefore there is change in velocity. Rate of change of velocity, which is nothing but rate of change in velocity is v minus u, initial velocity and final velocity, and this is the formula for acceleration. So you can see this formula is quite simple. It has come out of this definition itself. And displacement, you can see by definition of velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement, and it can be written this way. And if it is v average, then we know that by definition average velocity is nothing but v plus u by t. It is not t, it is 2 average, na? So number of velocities. From this we can have, sending this t this side, we have v plus u 2 into t. As I already told you, this is the mother of all equations. Therefore, from here we can derive the value of v, which is a equals v minus u by t. And if I want v from here, extracting v is nothing but a sent to the other side and u sent to the other side will become u plus at. Therefore, this will be u plus at plus u by 2 into t. I have simply brought this value into this position for this equation. Now, applying distributive property to this and to this, I have 2 ut plus at square by 2. If I can reverse the process of LCM here, it would be nothing but 2 ut by 2 plus at square by 2. How? If I take an LCM of these two, I will be getting 2, and I can re-engineer it to this form. So I can split it like this and also go backward. So both are correct. And herein this 2 and 2 get nullified. Therefore it is ut plus half at square. 1 into at square is half at square. So this can be written as ut plus half at square. So my requirement, the target derivation has been achieved. So ultimately the s comes here, ut and half at square. For this equation also, we make use of this starting point here. The before class is one and the same. It is also the definition of velocity. From that we have derived this thing, and from that point herein we start. You have seen that for this we have evaluated the value of v from the master equation. Now all we need to do is we shall arrive at value of t from this master equation, which is nothing but t goes here and a comes here, which is t equals v minus u by a. Now this value will comfortably go and replace this value over here. Herein you can see that it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but, and bringing in this algebraic identity, we can write this comfortably as 2a, and taking this to the LHS, we have this equation. As you can see, all these three are closely related and intertwined, and one comes from the other, and this is of course the mother of all equations, and it is giving rise to so many other formulae, and there is lot more in store, but that will be only opened up in the intermediate. Now all you need to know is the logic behind all these things to do the numericals in a very easy and fast way.